How to disable repost of your post notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable repost of your post notifications on SoundCloud mobile. First then open SoundCloud and then click library here in the bottom corner, and now click on your profile in the top corner, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then click notifications, and here you will find repost of your post. All you need to do is just click on it, and as you see, repost of your post have been turned off. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.